Alright, so by popular demand, I'm going to show you how to set up your login with Google in a very simple step. Alright, so let me just show you what it means for some of you that don't know it. So this is a job website that we are just currently working on that for tutorial, but let me show you what I mean. So if you click on login or you go with the register, you're going to get this option that says login with Google. So this is Google authentication process, or go login or sign up with Google, login with Google, whatever option you want to call it. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up. Now this feature, you will find it on most scripted websites, and most times people ask, oh, how can they do this so people can easily register on your website or log in? So I'm going to show you this. Now this is a Joby website, so I'm going to show you. Usually they ask for two things: your Google client ID and your Google client secrets, right? These two things. And in this step-by-step video, you're going to learn how to set it. It's very simple. In less than 15 minutes you should have it ready. So I'll also put a link in the description so that you walk it through. Now we have created what we call a PDF guide or an ebook that will help you. You can just save it and keep it anytime, any day, right? What you just have to do is use the link in the description, then sign up with your information and click on get access right now. Once you do that, it will bring you to this thank you page. Just click on I'm ready. So you'll get the PDF will go to your email. Then you could also take the course. We also have a course where you could just go through it. You could click on ready to just take it. It's simple. Now if you don't want to go through all that hassle, you could just go directly on here and you see a video, right? This video we're creating, we'll add it to our YouTube channel. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share so we could get to 1,000 and go as we go further. So the next thing you want to do is I'm going to show you the step-by-step of how I created this, but we're going to be using the course we've created. So this is it. This is exactly how the PDF will be. This is exactly how the course will be. So what you want to do is we're going to follow the step. You could read through all of this, but we're going to come down and start from the step. So the first step we need to do to set this up is to open our browsers, which we're already on Google Chrome, and we're going to go to console.cloud.google.com. So depending on when you are seeing this video, most times because of the consistent change, some things may have changed, but the core process will remain the same. So just follow. So we're going to go to console.google.com. If this is your first time, just follow the process. It's easy. Okay, so let's go back to the step here. It says sign into your Google account. Say if it's your first time, Google may ask you to agree to terms, right? Agree and continue. So this is it. So because this is my first time, so I'm just going to agree and click on continue. Now once that's loading, it goes to the next step. It says we're going to be creating a project, right? So for this, what you want to do is you want to come here, click on select. Now if you've not done two-step authentication, Google may see a pop-up that tells you something is blocked. You need to do your two-step authentication. So just go ahead, do your two-step authentication and give it around 60 seconds. Reload this, you'll have all of this. So what you want to do is to click on new project here. And this, we're going to be calling this, so I'm just going to call this YouTube, or let's say training. So we're going to call this training. Don't change your organization, just click on create. Yeah. Now the same thing, it says click on create a new project, give your project a name, leave the organization empty, then click on create, right? So now the project has been created, right? So we only come here, click on, you select this, and you're just going to select the project we've created here. Now the project will show. The next step on this will tell you that you need to go to API and services, then click on Auth concept screen. So for this, you want to come here, you're going to see. So sorry, what I just needed to do was to refresh. So sorry about that. So what you want to do is you can just clear this whole thing here, then delete it, then just click on enter to refresh it so you can get all of this well. So now what you want to do is come to API and services here. You click on it to open up. The next thing is you're going to click on this Auth consent screen here. Okay, so there's the whole process here, but I'm just going to walk you through everything that you need to do. Okay, but you could go through the PDF on your own time. So first of all, you're going to come here and you're going to click on get started here. Then you're going to give your app a name. I love to maintain the same names. I'm just going to keep on calling it training. Then you're going to put the email that you're using. Click on next here. Make sure you're using external as the audience. Then next. Put that the same email here. Then click on next. Agree and continue. When you're done, click on create here. So once that is done, the next thing is to create an Auth client. Now, if you come to this, it says there's a place where you have, okay, choose the Auth client ID. You're going to create the Auth client, right? But like I said, I want us to just focus on the video. If you want to use the PDF, you could go ahead, get it. It's on your email already. So what you want to do is click on Auth, create Auth client here. So application type, we're going to be using web, right? If you're using doing for a mobile app, you're going to choose that's right, depending on what you want, right? So we're going to give it the same name. I'm going to call it training, then authorize URL. So this is simple. So let me come to the app here. So this is the URL I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to copy it. Now, most of the time, the whatever script, or if it's a WordPress they're using, whatever system you're using, always provide you a Google redirect this. But if you don't have that, this is where a very important part for you to actually use the PDF. So if you come to the PDF, it gives you different options for different this in formats, right? But ours has already provided that. So what you want to do is you come to authorize redirect URL. You're going to paste that. You copy it here, right? Then this your URL, just paste this and make sure you're only maintaining your domain, right? But the place where you have authorized redirect, you're going to put this. Then when you're done, click on create. Now you need to download your JSON file, right? Your JSON file, you can download it. Your JSON file will contain everything about the ID that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to download first of all, and make sure to keep it safe, right? Because you will need the information on that file. Include your client ID and your secret key. Once you download it, you have it. Because once the secret key has closed, you cannot get it again. You have to generate a new one. So you want to keep it. So we're going to click on copy the ID, and we're going to click OK. Then click. All right. So what I will do is I'll come here where I have my client ID. I'm going to paste this here. Then I'm going to open it up again. And below to the left, you're going to see, to the right, sorry, you're going to see your client secret key. So you want to copy this here. Come back here and we paste this here and click on save changes. And in a nutshell, that is all you need to do. All right, so I think I was logged out. So I'm just going to log in back to my system. So you can see the options already showing here already. So if I click on social login here, I'm going to find the information here. It's that simple. In less than 30 minutes, we are done. So if you come back here, you're going to see everything. So basically, that's how you can set up your Google authentication. So anybody can log in using Google on your website. And that's all. Shikina. Don't forget to use the link below to register and just get access to this ebook. It will help you in case you can't find this video in the future. So that's why I say don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so you get notified every time we release new video. And we're on a target to get to 1,000 before the end of this week, so do well to support and share this, right? So thank you and enjoy. My name is Matthew Brown and this is Ziflite Studios. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget we're releasing a new video soon, right? Soon, basically on or before Friday. By Friday you will get the new video showing you step by step on how you can create your own job website. It's pretty good. So yeah, enjoy. Bye.